Alright, so we're here to talk about distilled water or deionized water. We all know the qualities of a distilled water. The distilled water is the purest form of water, whereby it contains almost zero ions and it doesn't have any dissolved solids into it. It's just pure H2O. So today we are going to use a water analyzer to test this distilled water to see how distilled it is, how pure it is. Okay, so normally this thing has a reading of 0 to 200. So the higher the number, the more dissolved elements in it, the more impurities is inside the water itself. Okay, so it's from 0 to 200. So let's test it. I've already poured some of these distilled water inside this container here, so we are going to test it and see what it gives us. All right, okay, all right, so we're getting a reading of 4 3. It's fluctuating. Okay, that gives us an idea. So that is 4. All right, so that means at a very low reading like that, that means that it has almost zero impurities inside. All right, so for context sake, this is drinking bottled water. I've removed the label, but it's drinking water. You can drink this. So let's compare it with drinking water. Let's see what drinking water will give us. All right, okay, let me clean it a bit. All right, so let's see what drinking water will give us. Let's reset the value. All right, back to 0. Okay, this is drinking water. Wow, okay, drinking water is giving 26. Okay, so it's higher. That means it has a lot of dissolved solids elements in it, so but it's quite normal for bottled water to have that, because sometimes this is spring water which has some dissolved minerals inside it, so it's okay. But remember, distilled water is almost sterile. There's nothing inside. It's almost sterile. That's why it always gives you a very low reading of this thing. So you see the difference is clear. So that's it about distilled water today. So if you need more information about how to get it or any questions about it, just drop a comment. All right, thank you.